If you want to return the month from a date in Excel, this video is for you. Maybe you have a list of dates like this and you want to display only the month. The good news is that there are 3 easy ways to do it. Let's start with the first method using the text function. The text function converts a number or a date into text using the format that you choose. The syntax is simple. The values is the cell that contains your date. The format text is the format you want to display, and it must always be inside quotation marks. Now let's see how it works. I have some dates here in column A, and I want to return the month in column B. In the cell B2, I will type this formula: =, text, open parenthesis, A2, common, and I insert the letter M 4 times between double quotes, close parenthesis, and press enter. Now I can drag the formula down to the other cells. As you can see, Excel returns the full month name. It doesn't matter if you use the uppercase or lowercase m. Excel treats them to the same way. If you want to short month name instead of full name, just use 3 m's instead of 4. For example, January becomes Jan, February becomes Feb, and so on. Now let's look at the second method. Instead of using a formula, you can simply change the cell format. First, select the cells with the dates, then go to Home tab, click the number format, drop down and choose more number formats. Next, select Custom. In the type box, enter 4 m's to display the full month name. Then click OK. Now the dates display only the month name. Now let's look at the third method. If you want to return the month number instead of the month name, you can use the month function. The month function returns a number from 1 to 12, where 1 is January and 12 is December. The syntax is very simple. It only needs one argument, the date. For example, in cell B2, I will type =, month, open parenthesis, A2, close parenthesis. Then I press enter. The result is the month number for the date. Now I can drag the formula down to the remaining cells. As you can see, January returns 1, February returns 2, March returns 3, and so on. This method is very useful when you need to sort or filter or data by month, or when you want to use the month number in other formulas. And that's it. Now you know 3 easy ways to get the month from a date in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.